Hello and welcome back to a new video here in the Trading 401 channel. Today we are going to analyze Etoro. Etoro offers a copy trader functionality or copy trading in which you can copy the performance of another trader that you choose inside the platform. So if the other trader generates income, you can generate income in a passive way, or you can lose money also. In here, the gains are not guaranteed, so you always have to have that in mind. It's always risk involved. You have to use only with money that you are willing to lose, and you can copy more than one trader in order to diversify the risk, and also you can define what is called stop loss. Stop loss is a feature in order for you to limit the maximum amount of money that you are willing to lose. For example, 40%, 30%, 50%. So in here we can understand how it works. Copy trader, you can invest like a Etoro top investor in real time. This is useful because, for example, you don't have to wait for a notification and then you have to go straight away to your computer to buy. It's all automatically. So you set up your account, you copy someone else, and then everything else is going to be automatically. Could be useful for you. It's user friendly, it's automatic, as I said before. You can copy by free, so you don't have to pay any fee at all for using this functionality. You always have to pay, for example, a spread or some type of commission, but the normal commission, no an extra commission for copying someone else. So it's free, so you can leverage using the knowledge and the time of someone else, and you can also lose money if the other person goes wrong. You can save time and you can decide which trader do you want to copy. You can even copy my portfolio if you like to do so. You can copy my portfolio. I've been using Etoro for more than 6 years, and you can see all the stats, all the statistics inside my profile. We are going to analyze the statistic to understand how you can filter and decide if a trader is a good alternative or not. You can even test all this functionality using a demo account, so you don't even have to deposit real money. You can start by free using a demo account without risk, and in that way you are going to understand if this functionality works for you or not. As I said before, there is no additional charge for copying another trader or traders inside the platform, and the minimum amount of money required to copy someone else is $200. I believe that the amount of money is low, so it's better if you have low amount of money, because, for example, with $1,000 you can diversify. You can copy more than one trader, you can copy 5 traders, so in that way you can diversify in different strategies, in different type of investing. Also, if you have a good strategy, you can enter what is called the popular investor program, so you can get copiers. So in that way, if you reach some specific requirements that we can analyze that in another video, you can earn money also. In here you can see my full profile. For example, in this year, in January, I'm recording this on January 2023, I'm earning 7.71% in 1 month. But in here you can see everything, the good years, the bad years, all the statistics of my own investing since 2016 when I started using this broker. I have really good years. For example, in 2018 I earned 86% in 1 year, but I also have horrible years. For example, 2022 was a really tough year when all the markets go down, even cryptocurrencies, stock markets. So you can see here the whole statistics. Nowadays 75 people are copying my profile. This is a measure of the risk based on some math that Etoro does in order to analyze which traders are more risky than other ones. The more risk the trader have, the more volatility that your money is going to experience. For example, now I have a risk of 4, and in here you can also understand in which type of assets a specific trader is investing. For example, in most of the cases I trade with stocks, but also I trade a lot with crypto, ETF, index, currencies and commodities. They also show which are the most frequent trade. And last year I trade Bitcoin, wheat, the ETF of wheat, and also one specific stock is related with oil. You can understand the percentage of good trades against bad trades. For example, in the general picture, each time I make a trade, I have 87% probability of winning money, but also in approximately 12% I have bad trades. And in here you can also understand the average profit and average loss of every trade that they make. You can understand the same statistic for any trader in the platform, so it's quite useful. Also shows you when I start trading, which were the profitable weeks in the last year, and for how long I normally hold my position, how many trades I make per week. Also, if you go to the portfolio tab, you can understand in which type of asset I am investing right now. For example, I have a bit of crypto, I have some stocks, but also now I'm trading with oil because I believe that the oil could go up. That's the reason why I opened some buying positions in regards to oil. You can also trade short if you believe that the stock market or any specific asset is going to go down. You can open a short position. If that asset go down, you can earn money. Also in here you can understand the whole history. Every trade is going to be shown in here. For example, in the last month, in the last 30 days, I made only 7 trades. 85% were profitable and I earned 11%. So it was a really good month. I trade basically with the Nasdaq, with the Germany index, the DAX, and also I'm trading right now with oil, for example. But you can also change in here and you can understand what's going on in the last 6 months, the last year. And also if you go to portfolio, you can click on this button and you can also understand which type of exposure I have right now. For example, as I said before, I'm focusing right now in commodities because I'm trading with oil, but also I have a position in regards to ETF, exchange trade funds, some crypto and some stocks. You can understand the allocation and the risk all in here. I think it's quite easy to understand. They make a really good job in regards to showing the information in an easy way to understand. And how you can do to start copying, for example, my portfolio. You have to search in here my name, in this case is Christian Gauna. You can select my name and that's it. In here is going to show you a specific button that says copy, and then you can select the amount of money that you want to copy me, and if you want to copy open positions or close positions. In my opinion, in my case in particular, it's always avoid copying open positions because I trade short term, but that's depend the type of trader that you are looking for. And also in here you can understand a bit of the strategy or something that every trader wants to tell you about their strategy, the performance, the background, and so on. And also you have in here the feed in which every trader can show different type of information. And if you want to search for another trader, you can go in here and set discover, and in discover you can go down, and in this part that says copy trader, you can click in here, view all, and you have plenty of things to filter. You have the most copies, the people that are trading really well in the last short term, for example, some investors that focus in the long term, some investors that focus in the long and the short term, and also some of them has different type of strategies. But if you want to filter by your own, you can go to this button and says filter, and in here you have plenty of filters. For example, if you want to focus in a specific country, you can go in here and select country, and if you want to copy, for example, someone from England, from Germany, you can select the specific country, you can search in here. Or for example, you want to focus on profitable trades, number of trades, average position size, or even active weeks. So in my opinion, it's always useful to copy someone that has less than 6 as a risk score. And for example, another good metric that you can use to understand is this one, for example, profitable trades. And in here you want to select someone that at least has a 50% profitable ratio. What it means? That for every trade that they open, at least they win half of them. So if they open 10 trades, in 5 trades they are going to get profits. So at least you have to filter a trader that has 50% profit ratio. That could be a useful filter. Another that could be useful is the weekly drawdown. It's useful to search someone that has at least less than 15% drawdown. What does mean a drawdown? How much money as a percentage they lose in 1 week. So in this case, if you filter with this metric, you are going to avoid risky traders. So you can click in here and then they are going to show you all the list, and in here you can define and you can copy whoever you believe that is better. You can, as I said before, create a diversified portfolio, copying more than one. Most of the people copy just one person, but in my opinion, it's always better to copy at least 2 to 5 traders in order to diversify the portfolio. So how it works, at least you have to copy with $200, and then every time that trader opens a position, you are going to automatically open a position in the same asset and in the same proportion. So it doesn't matter if the other person has $10,000 and you are just copying with $200. Doesn't matter, because what Etoro does is copy the same proportion, the same percentage. So if they buy 2% of Apple, you are going to buy automatically 2% of Apple straight away. You don't have to do nothing at all. And when the other person, the trade that you are copying, decide to sell that position, you are going to sell that position too. So it's really automatic the way it works, so I believe it's quite useful. If you want us to create another video explaining a specific way of copying or a specific way of filtering traders, you can leave a comment and we are going to make another video. This is the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, to leave a comment if you have any doubt, and we will see you on the next video.